Let's have a look. In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to rotate a PDF file without any software. If we want to do any customization with a PDF file, we need Acrobat Reader software in our computer. But this video is gonna be very helpful for you because you can do it with your computer default browser and you can also do it with a mobile phone. Just you need internet connection in your device. But it's gonna be much easier than any kind of software. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, open your default browser and here search for ilovepdf. You'll also get the website link in my video description, so don't worry about that. This website is not only for root PDF files. Here you will find all PDF tools which we usually see in a reader software. But as it is a quick tutorial, I'm gonna talk about only rooted tool. The tools in this website are very easy to use. Okay, just click on rooted tool. And here upload your file. Then click on left or right as required for this file. And finally click on root PDF. You can do the same thing with a mobile phone. Now download your rooted PDF file and done. Now if I open this PDF, as you can see, it's rooted successfully. It was a very quick tutorial. I hope this video gonna be very helpful for you. If you wanna get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.